Hello everybody! In today's video I'm going to show you how I find dropshipping products to sell on eBay using the powerful software zikAnalytics. But before I jump into the step-by-step demonstration on how to find dropship products to sell on eBay, I want to make sure you avoid the two biggest mistakes beginners are doing when it comes to finding products to sell on eBay. Number one, never use your gut's feeling. When beginners coming to eBay, they're looking for products to sell, they a lot using their opinions or past experience. They think that pet supply will sell well, or they really like creams, or they have some emotional connection to certain niche, and then they just go and list this product to their store without doing any analysis, without relying on any data. And they are waiting and waiting and waiting, and the products are not selling. The power of eBay and zikAnalytics is that you get access to the real data, actual sales history, competition, demand level, the average prices, everything you need to know in order to pick the right product to sell based on data and not based on guesswork. So we are here to help you to remove this guesswork. In this video, I will show you how I actually use the data to find winning products. But I want to make sure you guys don't make this mistake so many beginners are doing. I want you to reach quick wins, fast success, sales products you list fast, because this will determine whether you will be successful later on or not. Number two, never list products without optimizing the title, the description, and the price. Yes, of course, the most important thing is to find product with actual demand, with the low competition. But if we're not going to list this product with the right title, we're not going to get the right traffic to our listings. If we're not going to list it with the right price, we're going to be too expensive and we will not convert the traffic we're driving to our listing. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to jump to my share screen and I'm going to walk through my methods for finding dropship products to sell on eBay. You're going to learn in this video how to actually find these products and sell them for profit. So please, if you find this video valuable so far, before we move to the next part, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to see you in a second, sharing my screen, diving into the real stuff. Alright guys, so I'm inside the zikAnalytics interface. If you haven't yet heard about zikAnalytics, Zik is a product research software that allows you to analyze your competitors, doing product and niche research, category research, title optimization using the title builder, and give you an access to a lot of training and knowledge base to help you with your eBay business. Fits for all type of business models. And in this video, of course, we're going to focus on how to find dropship products to sell on eBay. So first of all, after I log into Zik, I want to make sure that I have also all my suppliers' websites open here. So I opened 3 examples: AliExpress, Walmart, and Home Depot. Everyone use different suppliers. This method basically fits for all kind of suppliers, right? There is a specific method to work. I'm going to show you how to use Zik to find dropship products. I'm going to give you some of my knowledge. You can take it in your own way. Use Zik in your own way as well. And if you will use it right, you will get a very quick result. So I'll start with the example on AliExpress, okay? Let's find products to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Later on, we can also do Home Depot and Walmart. So I click on the product research first, and I make sure that my settings are correct. I click here on the quick setting, make sure I'm on China, source website AliExpress, and I have break even of 14%, and I apply changes, all right? As you can see, inside the product research tool, my settings will be as I set on the quick settings. And what I'm going to do now is I will use the product research tool to find other dropshippers who sell products, dropship products from AliExpress. Now, by finding other dropshippers, I save a lot of time in the process, because if you will go randomly to search products on Zik and eBay and try to randomly list products, you might find some products to sell, but it will take you a lot of time. And with dropshipping, time is our most precious ingredient for success. If we use our time correctly, we will get to fast results. We will be successful. So finding other competitors, other dropshippers who dropship from AliExpress to eBay will help us a lot, will speed the process of finding winning dropship products. So I will just come here and I will write here any random keyword, and I will use the results of the product research and the dropshipping only filter to find dropshippers. You can also go to one of your suppliers here and copy title of one of the best-selling items and search it here, and you will instantly find people selling the same product. Let's just go to AliExpress, get idea for some niche or for some product. So I'll just look here, for example, in fashion. Let's go to men fashion, for example. Let's see what we get here. So we have shoes, we have casual shirts, we have different things here, right? On the left side, we can see suits, sweaters, pants, jackets, top, hoodies. I will go for hoodies for this instant search. So I'll just write here hoodies, like this. That's all. And I'll hit the search button. I just used AliExpress to get an idea. You can actually come here and copy real title and search as well, and you will get the result. Now, what the product research doing is pulling the data from eBay, the best match result, and it's going to show us, to present us, first of all, the statistics of the niche, of the hoodies niche, and then will show us also the best selling products in this search result. So we can see the sell-through rate, the active listings, the sold items, the revenue, the success rate. For example, here, out of 100 active listings, 60% successful, and the average selling price, and also the trend on eBay, of course, and the diversity. Okay, now statistics are very useful when it comes to picking a product and niche, but remember, our first step is finding dropshippers. So I'll scroll down here to the results, and here I'll see on the left side the seller information, the flag, where he come from, the seller, the name. I can scan the seller with clicking this button, the feedbacks, how many feedbacks he have, the sales in the last 30 days, and then the product information, picture, title, sales in the last 30 days, lifetime sales, and the selling price and where the product shipped from, and these two buttons, which I will discuss in a couple of minutes. So in order to see who is dropshipper here, what I will do, I will click the filter and I'll click dropshippers only, and it will automatically filter out the dropshippers. I can see this sign here new to the product means dropshipper. I can see the sales in the last 30 days, lifetime sales, the average selling price, and I can see how many feedbacks they have and where they come from. Now, the country flag help me identify if this is a dropshipper and where he came from. So of course the sign tell me this is a dropshipper, and this is an Israeli dropshipper, UK dropshipper, and Sri Lankan dropshipper. And actually the information about the country is helpful because in every different country you have different methods, different communities, and we know from our experience that the Israeli community is very well, the UK community is very well, the Sri Lankan community is good as well, but they usually work on lower profit merchants, and this helps us make decision as well. So I'll go here for this Israeli seller, I hit the scan seller button, and also from this UK seller, I hit the scan seller button, and you can see here it opens me these two sellers, and I can already go and look for winning products. Now this UK seller, very interesting, have 190 active listings, 261 sold items in the last 30 days, so his sell-through rate is 137%, and he's doing very well. And he's generating 4,000 pounds or dollars, we will see in a second, in the last 30 days. Guys, just for your understanding, people who dropship from AliExpress make around 30% profit. So we are talking here about around $1,200 or pounds profit. We will see in a second where this guy is dropshipping. So what I will do now is scroll down to look for winning products. And what I look for is products that have high sales. Here you can see the last 30 days sales when the product was uploaded, the lifetime sales, the current selling price, and the competition. So what I want is product with high demand, low competition. High demand means for 5 sales at least in the last 30 days. Low competition is 10 competitors or less, 5 to 10 competitors or less. These products fits our criteria, 10 sales, 2 competitors, perfect, right? So what I will do now in order to find a product in AliExpress is I will hit here the find button, the item finder button, click the button. In a few seconds I get the results. Here you can see the different results that I get here. So here is the product. As you can see, we can open the product on eBay. We can open the product on AliExpress just to be sure. So this product here have 4.6 ratings. We can see the sale price on AliExpress, sales on AliExpress, and the profit calculating between the eBay price and the AliExpress price. We can see here that we have all the different variation. This is the price, as they say. They have an extra shipping as well, and this is in dollars, and this is how they work. I guess this seller is from the UK. Yeah, he's selling for £13, which is actually more than $13. Okay, and this is £13. And if you want to, if you are drop shipping from the UK, you can switch here to pounds, and we will be able to see the price in pounds. Let's see. Let me just switch here to pounds. So we'll write GBP, save. Yeah, and the price in pound here is 585. So yeah, so the profit here is much higher. In this case, this guy is dropshipping to the UK, but you saw how easy we can find this product. So we're talking here about even more than £3 profit. We're talking here about selling for £13.79 and buying for $5.85. Let's calculate for you the profit, just see how many percentage he's doing. So we're talking here about £13.79 minus 14% minus 30 cent, 30p. So it's 11.55. Wow, this guy make a lot of profit. So after the eBay fees, we have 11.55 left. And he buy it for $5.85 plus $1.99, $5.85 and minus $1.93 shipping. This guy make profit of £3.7, £3.7 for a product he's selling for £13. So we're talking approximately around 30%, a little bit less than 30%, 25%. Very good profit. And this is how easy we find winning product. All right, very simple. We see the sales, competition, check the profitability, and we only make decision based on this. I will not sell this product if this product selling, if I cannot make profit, or if I have to sell it for more expensive than my competitor. All right, now you can use this to explore many dropshippers, find a lot of products, and you can also do niche research. Niche research works in a little bit different way. You will use the product research for it. You can come here and see, you know what, I see this guy is focusing on all this gym boxing training tongue, right? It's a tongue, it's a gym tongue. We see here fitness, gym, muscle tongue. Yeah, so what I can do is I can open the product research. Now I know this niche is working very well for dropshippers, right? So I write here gym, fitness, just make sure I write it correctly, yeah, and tongue, right? Clicking the search button, and now when I do the niche research on the product research based on real sales data, look what a good niche I just received here. We're talking about 100 active listings with 804% sell-through rate, 57% success rate, $6,900 revenue in the last 30 days from average product price of $9. So statistics are good, and trend is good, everything is well. And when I'm scrolling down, again, I can either just try to compete this Chinese seller or click the dropshippers only and find some more dropshippers here to find winning products from dropshippers, and doing basically the same process, guys. So this is how you do it with AliExpress. I show you competitor research, niche research, and you do the same process with Walmart or Home Depot, but it works a little bit different, all right? Because Walmart have a unique way to identify Walmart products. Walmart have their own brands, okay? And this helps us identify people who are selling Walmart products on eBay. So what I will do, I will open Google and I will write here Walmart brands, and I will get on Google a list of all Walmart brands. Stand Choice, Great Value, Equate, Mainstays, etc. So I can just copy one of the brands here, Mainstays, for example, go back to the product research, Of course, fix the settings, because when you dropship from US suppliers, settings has to be different. So I'll go here, I'll change here to Walmart.com, I'll change here to United States or shipping location United States, supplier settings Walmart.com, and I'll hit apply changes. Now you can also click here on the US flag and it will automatically apply the US settings, and just change here to Walmart.com and you're good to go. So we set up the settings for US suppliers. I copied the name of the brand who only Walmart is selling, a Walmart brand. Put it in this product research again, hit the search button, and in a couple of seconds, I'll see all the sellers who are selling MindStays products. By doing that, again, very quickly, I can identify dropshippers, as you can see here. And I also have the dropshipper sign here to all of them. These are all dropshippers, right? So I can see, you know what, this product is from a dropshipper, hit the scan seller button, see the performance of this dropshipper, $3,000 in sales, is a beginner with 150 feedbacks. Interesting, right? And I want to check his profitability. Now I will do the same process again. I want to find products, high demand, low competition. The first one, for example, have 46 sales, but 100 competitors is not for me, right? 32 sales, 4 competitors is something I like. Even though there is here the Vero sign, which is just warn you from a risky product or Vero product. This is the spray bottle. This is why it's signed a Vero, but I don't think this brand is Vero. But we can try another one. This one without the Vero sign, 22 sales, 2 competitors. You hit the red box here. And then if we can't find it automatically for you, you use the semi-automated way, search title on Walmart. And we can see if we can actually find this product. Let's take a look. So this product here is this green one, Black Decker. Let's see if we find this green one is the same one. Yeah, here is the product. Take a look, guys. Wow, selling here for $13.58, selling on Walmart for $9.97. They make some little profit. You usually profit with US suppliers is 10%. This is why we see it. So we have actually around $1 profit here, $1.3 profit. So you find the product on Walmart. You say, you know what, this is the product I like. You come here, you copy the product number. And then what you can do is basically go to the results here to zikAnalytics, click here again on the button and add item ID manually. It will automatically calculate the profit, and it will also give you the ability to save the product to your folders. Okay, this is very powerful way to build list of products, or to let your virtual assistant do it for you. You can save products inside zikAnalytics in the folders. You can organize lists based on different things like prices or virtual assistants or other criterias, and work very accurate. If you want to get access to the folders, you just go here to my folders and you will have all the products you saved. For example, just for instance, let me show you here one folder example. This is how it will look. You have the product of the eBay, the image of the eBay product, the supplier product, the item ID, titles, prices, and calculated profit and competition here as well. And from here you can list it to your store using a lister or a repricer, or just export CSV. All right, so this is how you do competitor research, finding winning products for Walmart. We saw AliExpress, we saw niche research. You do the same process with every supplier. Your goal to find dropshipper using the same supplier like you. Then you can see if you can snipe their products with a better pricing. Of course, with keeping the profitability. Focus on low demand, on high demand, low competition. And of course, you can do an extra layer of research by doing niche research and finding other selling opportunities like this. If you want to learn more about niche research and about different product research method, I leave in the description link to our product research playlist, where I give more in-depth training, real in-depth training for doing all kind of product research method. Guys, thank you so much. Again, if you find this valuable, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Ciao.